Part 2 is we want to resize the image and path it to be exactly what we said y and height. So we need to change some codes. We need to delete these codes and then we add I declare one variable called canvas equals resize image, then canvas I put the y and height 300 and 300 like this, then canvas insert image, then we put it centers, and the last is canvas sales. Okay, we put the parts, then we put the file names variable in here. Let me save it. And then we go to our refresh our projects, and then we try to test one more users. Put the passwords. Okay, sorry, I need to input the correct password again. Okay, choose the image. Where is my image? Where is it? Yes, cast, then add the brand, then save. Okay, it's successful. Now I need to check the image. Here's it. Okay, it resize to 300 y and 300 height. You can see here. So that's all for this topic. Thank you for watching.